For this tutorial, you'll learn how to take a jar photo, remove the background, add in a label and some highlights to make the label look like it's really on the jar. This type of work in Photoshop is necessary for a lot of companies that have products and they want to make their products look really nice to sell online. Download the asset from the assignment, double-click on the compressed file to open it on a MacBook. Let's open up the jar folder. We have a jarphoto.jpg and we have a label.pdf. We're going to combine these in Photoshop. Click on the jarphoto.jpg and drag that to the Photoshop icon and let go, and it will open up in Photoshop. Now we're going to place the label.pdf inside of this document. Go to File, click on Place Embedded because we want to embed the file into the Photoshop document. Go to your desktop and search for the jar folder. Click on the label.pdf and click on Place. Now that we have both parts inside of the document, let's save it. Command S to save. We're going to name it jar.psd. PSD for Photoshop document. Click on the format down here if you do not see the PSD format here. If you see PDF, make sure that you click on Photoshop for the format. Let's press save and then click OK. This lesson will continue in the next video.